we're going to talk about some of the equipment and some of the products that I use on a pretty recurring basis, almost daily pretty much. The handheld sprayer. It's made by B&G. Now this is an industry standard. I love this device. My go-to product I like to put in here is my Essentria IC Pro. We use this religiously. Our customers love it. It's eco-friendly. It treats a whole host of pests around your home. This can be used indoor and outdoor. It's so versatile, such a versatile item. It comes with different attachments, parts, nozzle tips. You can get into cracks and crevices, and I use it around doorways, windows, entry points, storage rooms, attics, basements. You can use it wherever. It's limitless. You do spot treatments, you can do fan sprays, thin and thick, and you can also do pin streams. Your pump, you're going to get super strong pressure out of this. It holds up with wear. This is pretty much stainless steel and brass all the way throughout except for the hose, which is a thick Teflon, just really hardcore coated hose. So now we're going to show you how to fill this sprayer with that solution. Be careful as you're removing this top because the pressure on it can build pretty strongly. And it'll actually pop out and pop up. So make sure you're holding that down as you're loosening pressure on that. To make this solution, you need 1 ounce of product to 1 gallon of water. I've already filled this with 1 gallon of water. So now we're going to show you how to measure right out of the bottle. So the cool thing about this jug is it's considered a tip and pour in our industry. And that means you can measure, tip and pour right here on the jug without using any separate containers or anything to pre-measure. So you start up here and you're really right at about your 8 ounce range. So what you want to do is tip that back until you're getting down. As you see that leaving there, and we got our 1 ounce measure, so we're going to go ahead and add that to our water. All right. So now that we've got our solution made up, we're now going to put the plunger back on here, just like this, and catch those threads there, and then you just give it a turn, and she is ready. Now what you want to make sure you do before you pump the sprayer is you want to give it a shake. So you always want to give it a shake for about a good 30 seconds. So what that's going to do is give that product time to blend really well. And it doesn't take anything vigorously, and this foams up pretty good, so you don't want to shake too hard. So now you just give it your few pumps. Get that pressure build up, and it's going to have really good pressure. Now you won't need this much, but they will sell small pints for around $35. So typically you want to start there. That way, if you're only mixing 1 ounce per gallon, that pint will last you a while. You found this video helpful? Like and subscribe.
Do you need the EcoMen's help? Book today by clicking the link in the description.